Soldier get killed in a mountain view, a man dead in a mountain view. I watched this video about the incident and look at the way the JDF treat the civilians them. Look at how the police treat the civilians them when them go into these neighborhoods. I am gonna play a clip, and this clip, like me say, it's a little bit rough, but how can the Prime Minister and the government expect people to be civilized when them use the police and them use the soldier, the army, to hunt the people them down like animals, kill them, violate our constitutional right? Listen, in this video right here, all of these people, especially the young lady who fell on the ground and the man with them killed, constitutional right has been violated. So when the police and soldier teach us to be urban fighter, what you think people are gonna do? You think people are gonna sit down and take stuff from the police and soldier them? The man are gonna rise them gun and them are gonna give it to the police and soldier. And believe me, in some cases, them deserve it. Watch this video, yo. Really upset about this shit, yo.
We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, I want to talk about a subject which I've always talked about it. The Prime Minister said Jamaica is experiencing killing and murder and crime like we're in a war zone. Now, he never addresses the constitutional violation the police and the army did. Now, if this was some other country and the army did that to civilians and carry on like that, they would have to face big consequence. The problem with Jamaica, and I hope the next political people them that comes into power, I hope them understand this. We have to deal with the constitutional laws of our country, and we have to uphold them, and we have to make people accountable. Now, a video like this is running around, on the internet and went viral, and the Prime Minister didn't say anything. The opposition leader didn't say anything. The DPP, Director of Public Prosecution, didn't say anything. I really want to say something about her, but I am not going to disrespect her. The Commissioner of Police didn't say anything. So the Constitutional Minister, Mafu, didn't say anything. The Justice Minister, Delroy Chuck, nothing. The National Security Minister didn't say anything. They have never said anything about the police and the soldier violating our constitutional rights, beating people, doing all sorts of things. And then how can they expect a population and citizens like that to be civilized and not be murderous? I am watching the video and I am so upset about it. You understand? I can understand why the man them resist and fire upon them. You understand? And like me say, I am not promoting crime, cause only here me attack the criminal them, me attack the police, me even attack my own mother. Right is right and wrong is wrong. Over the years, we have been trained to be urban fighter. We have become martyrs. You understand? The government who's supposed to protect us and our constitutional rights, the judges, the court system, the DPP, the Prime Minister, nobody speaks on these kind of abuse that we are facing in our country. Now, like I said, when somebody gets treated like that, what do you expect them? We can look at Israel and the Palestinians. You see how Israel lock the people them in a little spot and pressure them, crush them. For the people them to even travel, them have to go through Israel. Israel control everything. Israel deal with them with violence. And look what the people them do. Them turn to suicide bombing. Them turn to hostages taking. You see what I'm saying? So over the years, because of the environment, people have adapted. And it's the same thing with Jamaica. Over the years, the system has never addressed the real issues. Even Ninja Man talk about some of them. But the real issue about upholding our constitution making police accountable. Not only when police kill somebody and rape one woman, we not gonna lock them up like how Maitland kill him girl and it take them forever to lock him up. See medic right there, a policeman came, pick her up and she disappeared. Those issues comes from the government not upholding our constitutional rights and the police oppression, and then use the army for police us, and it turns us into urban fighters. You understand? So just like how the police them and the soldier them train for coming at the ghetto and use the gun like how them use the gun at, the civilians them are trained too. You understand? Because it's how can I put it? It's an anomaly, but that's the anomaly we always get when we allow situations in our country when it comes to constitutional rights not to be addressed. It leads to bigger things. Because the first thing a man is going to say, we can't trust the police, we can't trust the soldier. Look how them deal with the women them. Look how them deal with the citizens. You understand? Might as well we shoot one of them. We know that we're not getting any justice when it comes to certain things. So we might as well take it up in our own hand. And that's what's going on in Jamaica. Because when people see stuff like this, what it does, and it turns them into martyr. You understand? And when nobody is all accountable from the soldier, the army, the police, like in cases like these, what it does, it makes hate for the army, hate for the police, hate for the government. You heard what the young lady said. Andrew is not getting her vote because the police them come up in there and the soldier kill somebody. One soldier get dead, a man get dead. Then them rush in, them lick a man with the gun. And if you notice, when the soldier lick the youth with the gun, and then a soldier now say, yo, chill out, you know. Them now say that. Them just come in and them just do what them want to do. You can't run a country like that and expect. It's like you can't expect people to be civilized and you govern them like that. It's a total opposite. If you're governing us like this, then expect us to do some serious things. You understand what I'm saying? When you walk on the street of America, Canada, England and Switzerland and those places, they don't treat their citizens like that. They have things in place. They address these issues. So, it's, how can I put it? It's kind of oxymoron if these countries like Jamaica, Trinidad, all that, is gonna expect citizens to work with them and expect citizens to obey them and give them information. No, you're not getting anything. You understand? You're not getting anything. If anything you're gonna get, you get a shot. And that's what's going on in our country. The government have the upper hand on this, you know. And if them deal with it right, then this situation can get fixed. But back to what I'm saying. Jamaica is a country of urban guerrilla fighters. Even the kids them is trained by the system to react like that. And it's really sad. Even the rich man uptown is trained by the system. Because guess what? The system don't protect us. And when I say protect us, our constitutional rights as a citizen, as a Jamaican, there is no way police and soldier in modern time like this, when everything is viral, should be beating people like this, and the government sit back and don't say anything. It's real sad, and that's why Jamaica is the way it is. And believe me, it will never change. Because you see me feel like this. Certain police, if them violate, them forget brush straight up. Or some me blood clot feel. Cause the police, them a thief. Them a gangster. Them a do everything that's bad. You understand? You see how me turn an urban guerrilla fighter this a do. You understand? And that's what we have been trained to do from back in the 60s. I went through 1980 election, civil war. Nothing has been addressed. We may not fight as much political, but the fighting has moved into a different realm, where now people are guerrilla warfare against themselves and against them community and people in them community. And then when the police comes in to the community, if there's a situation, then there's urban fighting right there too. Lots of time, like today in Mountain View, all that is a bunch of man say, listen, we not let them come in here, come abuse us, cause we know when them come, they're not coming proper. They're coming ignorant. So guess what? When them get ignorant, we ignorant too. And we are going to defend this. And that's what it is. And it's simple ABC, and if the government can't spot this, them fully don't. Listen. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. But this is what I am talking about when I say we have been trained to be guerrilla fighters, and it's really, really